To create a Payoneer account and link it with your Etsy seller account from Pakistan, follow these steps. Go to the Payoneer website, https://www.payoneer.com/ and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your personal and business information. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your email. Complete the verification process by providing additional information and documents as required. This may include verifying your identity, phone number, and address. Once your Payoneer account is set up, log into your Etsy seller account and go to the Payment Settings page. Under the Payment Methods section, click on the Add Payment Method button. Select Payoneer from the list of available options and follow the prompts to link your Payoneer account to your Etsy seller account. To receive the free $25 credit, go to the Payoneer website and sign up for a Payoneer account using the referral link provided. When you receive your first payment through Payoneer, you will receive the $25 credit. It is important to note that Payoneer may not be available in all countries, and the specific steps and requirements for setting up an account may vary. It is always a good idea to carefully read and follow the instructions provided by Payoneer to ensure a successful account setup.